Let's look at our consonant blend, BR. The consonant blend is 2 or 3 consonants together. They each say their own sound, but we blend them together into words. So B says B, B, B. And R says R, R, R. And if we tap and stretch, brr, brr is what we get. So let's see how we can make words with that. You ready? Let's tap and stretch our new word. Brag. Tap and stretch again. Brag. Good. Now let's say it fast like a word. Brag. Say it fast. Brag. Yeah, you know when somebody brags a lot, they're always saying a lot of things about themselves, right? Okay, let's do another word. Ready? Let's read. Tap and stretch. Bran. Let's tap and stretch again. Bran. Say it fast. Bran. Say it fast again. Bran. Bran. Yeah, bran a lot of the time is in cereal. It's part of the wheat plant. Bran. Okay, let's read another word. Tap and stretch. Brat. Good. Let's tap and stretch again. Brat. Now let's say it fast like a word. Brat. Say it fast. Brat. Yeah, I think we've all heard the word brat before. Somebody who's not behaving nicely, right? All right, this is our last word for this one. Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch it. Brim. Tap and stretch again. Brim. Say it fast. Brim. Say it fast again. Brim. Yes, brim are a type of fish. So sometimes you could go fishing for brim. And that is our consonant blend, BR. Good work.